Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I want to show you how to knit such a wonderful and very amazing, very admire and very simple knitting stitch pattern. See what a beautiful looks of this pattern. This is how it looks like from the front side, and this is how it looks like from the wrong side. So it looks great both from thick and thin yarn. It would be better with thick yarn, and it is knitted very easily. So this pattern you can use in ladies sweater, gents sweater, baby sweater, ladies cardigan, for all kinds of knitting products you like. So it is very simple and very interesting pattern. So this is only 4 rows repeat pattern, and in order to make this pattern you cast on multiples of 3 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 3 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's see how to knit this beautiful pattern. So friends, I cast on 12 stitches on my knitting needle, and I have 3 repeats here, and you cast on as many repeats as you want. So row 1 right side, we knit from right side. So we knit edge stitch, we knit edge stitch, and we knit 1 and yarn over, knit 3, knit 3, and we pass the first stitch over this 2 stitch like this. That's the repeat. Now we repeat again. We yarn over, we knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and we pass this first stitch over this 2 stitch. Again yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and we pass this stitch over this 2 stitch. Now we knit edge stitch. That's the pattern. Now we knit row 2. Row 2 we purl all stitches. Now row 2 is complete. Now we knit row 3. Row 3. Now we knit row 3 and row 3 we slip edge stitch and we knit 3. 1, 2, 3 and we pass the first stitch over the second stitch. Here. Now again yarn over, knit 3, pass over 2 stitches, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, pass first stitch over 2 stitch, yarn over, knit 1 and knit edge stitch. So row 3 is complete. Now row 4 we pour all stitches. So I complete for row 4 and this is our repeat pattern of 4 rows. I have done one repeat here. Now you repeat 1 to 4 rows over and over again according to your desired length. And after a few repeats, this is how it turned out to be a simple and beautiful pattern. So friends, I hope you like the pattern, and if you like the pattern, please don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. I wish you all the best. Goodbye.